outdoor shower.
Oh, oke, ada outdoor showernya. Oh, pakai kunci ya dia.
Yay, I've got my own bar, guys. Let me grab my drink and spend a while here. You wanna know what's in my head right now? Yeah. When the night comes, I wonder how I can be this brave enough to open my house's door and walk this far. Someone said to live a beautiful life is a hard but the same good decision. Choosing to dive deep inside the sea or stay on board for safety reason. And every single new day I open my eyes. It's such a gift that I've got one more day to see the world much wider. To hear the birds chirping. To feel the lovely warmth of morning sun. To see the beauty of nature, for the peace it always offers. To love myself more for being this brave, and to thank myself more for being this strong. I remember yesterday it was only on my dream to see this beauty. I was once told that the happiest place in this life is comfort zone. But outside there, I was asked to believe that there are many more amazing things that can only be brought by the courage. The journey itself teaches me much about life. It's not easy. It hurts a lot sometimes. But what doesn't kill us makes us stronger, doesn't it?
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no.
I got recommendation from my friends that near here there is a good cafe for sunset, so let's go there. is always around us. And I would be the unluckiest person ever alive if I just stay on my bed with all my fears. When this pandemic is over, I just want to fly higher. I want to see how the moon shines from the other side of the world. I want to live the life that I will always remember. I will spend my last night in Bali here. This is a very affordable hotel near the airport. You know, the room is so big and it has a balcony with amazing view. You can also walk to the beach, and on the rooftop they have a very big swimming pool with amazing view. You can see Kuta Beach, German Beach. This is amazing, guys. Well, it's time to leave this lovely island, as I have to catch my flight to Lombok for many more amazing places. See you there, guys. Bye bye.